Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you the DecoBrush color palette. The DecoBrush markers contain non-toxic paint based on metallic pigments. They perfectly cover both white and black surfaces. They were produced with the use of the liquid ink technology, thanks to which you'll use them up to the last drop. Remember to store the markers horizontally and shake them before use. The markers create a uniform metallic layer, which once dried up is permanent, light and water resistant on surfaces such as paper, wood, ceramics, glass, metal or plastics. You can use those markers also to decorate various surfaces and impregnate them with varnish. Very soon you'll be able to see on this channel how to use those markers on different surfaces and how to impregnate them with varnish. See you soon!